Hi, I'm Gary Rogalski for the Northwest Woodworking Studio. I want to talk to you briefly about some summer classes coming up. We've got a 3-day class coming up in July 27th through 29th, called Inlay Secrets. All the secrets revealed. Inlay is great. Inlay transforms a piece. Build a very simple piece, inlay something on the legs, the apron, the top, and you have changed that piece. Let me show you some examples of some of the inlay I've done with my work. This is one of the techniques we'll use in the inlay class. And inlay, if you understand it, is useful in a variety of situations, putting in knife hinges, for instance. What I like to do is minimize my risk by routing the ground out. So the area we're carving out is called the ground. This is a template guide, mounts in the bottom of a plunge router, and then a straight bit, spiral flute bit, sorry, inside of it, and there's a certain offset between the cutting edge of the bit and the outside of the template guide. And I use that to create my template. I have the template here mounted on a block of walnut, and with different template guides and different size bits, I can make different square plugs. I can do 1 inch, I'm doing 3/4 inch here, just by changing out the template guide and the sizes of the bit. So it's clamped in place. I'm pretty happy with where it is. I think I've got it right. Now I'm going to get some ears on and plunge to depth here in the template. One of the great things about doing this work is once it's set in place, it's all really safe. So let me show you that. So, I've got my ground routed out. Let me show you. But because I'm using a router bit, I've got round corners. So I need to clean those up. So it's this type of inlay work is always a mixture of hand and router work. So let me grab my chisels. So, clean the fuzz up with my chisel. And then lay out the corners carefully. And all this work is being done as straight in as I can make it. If my carving out of the ground isn't perfect, my inlay is going to fill up any little discrepancies. So what I do is I create inlay that is very close to size, but not exactly to size. A little bit of walnut. And the walnut is just slightly bigger than my hole for it. And I will put a slight taper on these edges with my hand plane. Anyway, I'll show you that and a couple other techniques in this inlay class coming up in July. Check out the website, northwestwoodworking.com, and our summer schedule to find that Inlay Secrets class. It's going to be a blast. Come and join us. Thanks.